So, Wayne Barron here with DarkFix.net, and we are inside of Windows 7. And I just ran into a problem while designing a website and found out that I did not have previous version enabled, which in my case is a very big mistake. And so anyway, what I'm referring to about previous version is that whenever you go inside, we're going to go into our web drive, and you have security, previous version, quota, customized, general tools, hardware, and sharing. On previous versions, right here, you're supposed to be able to go back to a previous state of that folder or drive. So in our case, or my case right now, it's not enabled. So how you enable it is you right click, go to properties, choose system protection, click on, go down to the drive you want, which is our G drive, click on configure. You got three options: restore system settings and previous versions of files, only restore previous versions of files, turn off system protection. Right now it is off by default. We only want to restore previous versions of files. And then right here you set it up for how large you want it to be. And so in our case, we're going to put this at about, let's see, how big is our drive here? G drive, yeah, we got enough space. We're going to set this at about 5 gigs. We're going to click on apply, and then click on OK, and then click on OK again. And now system restore is set up for this location. However, there is nothing there to restore. And so, in order to create a restore point and go ahead and get your system where you want it at right now, right click, go to properties, system protection, go down to the drive that you've got configured, click on create. This will create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. So you click on create, and then this right here will create it. So web is what we want to do, create, and it's creating a system restore point. And now whenever we right click on our drive, go down to properties, previous versions, we have this previous version that we can look at today. And what you do is that you choose to open it, and it will actually open up this drive at this point. And so we have today, April 22nd, 2013, 1 minute ago. This excuse me, this file right here, or folder, is not available to view here. This is our actual G drive, and so we can actually go in to an area right here and choose restore previous version, and then come into this area and actually view what is sitting inside of here at this very moment, which was now showing 2 minutes ago. So this comes in really handy if you're doing work like what I'm doing, designing websites. Excuse me, in case you make a mistake, then you're able to go back to view your previous data prior to the mistake. And unfortunately, I cannot go back and view my previous data, so I got to figure out my problem on my own. So anyway, this is Wayne Barron for DarkFix.net for Windows 7 previous versions. And trust me, this is something that you want to set up if you're doing a lot of work on your computer, especially with data, websites, database work, office work especially. This comes in really, really handy. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.